Hey ninjas, welcome back. I know that you put so much effort into your Facebook ads and they still do not work, and you're probably wondering, what is this objective? How does it work? So look no further. In this video, I'm going to explain to you all of the important Facebook ad objectives. What is it that you need to know about them so that your Facebook ads are actually working and making money for your business? And I'm also going to be sharing with you the number one mistake entrepreneurs make when they are setting their objectives, and how does it stall your sales and how you've got to avoid it. And finally, I'll be sharing with you a simple tip that Facebook experts actually don't want you to know, that literally takes only 5 minutes and can more than triple the performance of your ads. So regardless if you're new to e-commerce or if you've been in the game for a while, stick until the end, because this information will most likely change the way you think about Facebook ads. Hey, my name is Sylvia Myers and I'm one of the co-founders of the Traffic Ninjas. If you are new to us and new to these channels, we talk about the little known untapped ways in e-commerce and how to make it work for you even if you've got limited resources. So make sure you do join us on our path as we discover these little known and hidden ways to do this effectively. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so that you don't miss out. And also comment on this video and let me know how you liked it. Give us some feedback so that we can make this even better for you next time. Okay, so let's talk about Facebook ad objectives. There have been a lot of changes in Facebook recently, and I know that some of you have been misguided in how to actually set the objective of your campaigns, of your ads, and how to run it effectively to make sure you are getting sales. So let's go through that step by step. Okay, so when you start creating your Facebook ad, you will see that you can choose objective and there will be 3 columns: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Now inside brand awareness, you will have brand awareness and reach, which essentially will mean all of these objectives mean that based on what you choose, the algorithm will try to get you that type of person. They do not guarantee that, but they will try to get you that type of person. So for example, for brand awareness, reach, and by the way, traffic is the same and store traffic is the same. Engagement is very, very similar. So for all of these ones, it will try to give you people that will essentially look at your ad or come to your store. Not necessarily buy anything, but that will kind of be engaged, okay? So now brand awareness and reach are kind of even step before that. It's just somebody who's gonna look at your ads as they're scrolling through their feed. Traffic and store traffic will be those people who, okay, let me go and visit the new store. Like, hey, I've got a launch, let me go and visit, but they're not necessarily gonna buy anything. Now, for those of you guys who've got mobile phone apps, or you essentially are looking to generate some leads and then do sales over the phone, this would be if you want to generate some app installs, you would be choosing this one. And if you want to generate leads, for example, inside Facebook, you would be choosing this one. Now, I presume that majority of you guys want to actually make sales. Am I right? That you want to make sales. So if you actually want to make sales, you want to make some serious money with your business, and you want to make sure that you are turning the traffic into sales and have a profitable business, then I would suggest I always go for conversions, and catalog sales is another option. So essentially catalog sales is in Facebook shopping with your store, and essentially conversions is looking for somebody who will be completing the goal that you want. And this goal can be a purchase, can be add to cart event, can be also visiting your store. And I've promised you to share with you the number one mistake that essentially entrepreneurs make that completely stalls money coming to their store, and of course stalls their profits. Most people, what they do is they go for the brand awareness or reach to start with, because they say, hey, maybe people don't know about my store yet, so let me just get some traffic, let me get brand awareness, let me get some reach, let me make sure that people first get to know me and then they're going to start buying later. From my experience, guys, and I have personally invested over $500,000 in my own money into Facebook ads, and I have witnessed over $2 million being spent by our customers in Facebook ads, and from my experience, that does not lead to result as fast as possible, and it's definitely not the most straightforward path to success. So no matter what the Facebook experts tell you on the phone, because all of you guys had those phones and they're like, let's do the brand awareness, let's do the reach, I personally always go for conversion and make sure that at least 70% of my budget is set for conversion ads that are essentially optimized for the goal that I want. So if you've got an e-commerce store, your goal ideally would be a purchase. So that's been super simple, right? So essentially there is just a couple of really main objectives that will help you actually get the right traffic to your store and turn it to sales. When it comes to me, I personally always look at least at a 70% of conversion budget for my ads, making sure that I'm targeting that customer who is actually ready to complete the step that I want. And also you want to keep your ad sets broad and make sure you retarget. So when it comes to the objective, guys, it's now up to you to really take action and get the right traffic to turn it into sales. If you want to learn more about how to set up Facebook ads step by step that will actually convert traffic into sales, we've got a video for that. And if you are already running ads and want to make them more profitable, because I know many of you are, then check out what we've got prepared for you. So guys, comment below if you haven't subscribed yet. Do that. Comment below, let us know how you like this video so that we can make it better for you in the future. And I can't wait to talk to you soon.